I'm showing you my greenhouse that I built about 6 months ago. It's built out of Solawrap and cattle panel mostly. This is the south wall. Today is 47 degrees. It's mid-January. It's about 60 degrees inside the greenhouse. These are two cold frames that I have on front. This one is connected to the greenhouse with a 6-inch vent in the back to help when it gets warm. It does have a roll-up curtain on the side there that works pretty good. This is the west wall with the door. I could have done a better job on that door. It sticks. That is a vent at the top in the summertime when it gets really warm. It's made out of cedar fence planks. On the inside it's insulated with bubble wrap. The whole greenhouse is covered in vinyl coated hardware cloth. It does have a climate battery. There are two 5-gallon buckets here that are buried into the ground. Inside of that are 4-inch French drains that go from the bucket through the greenhouse, and they come out over here in another 5-gallon bucket. They're about 2 feet underground. That's as far as I could dig. The whole greenhouse is insulated in the foil wrapped bubble wrap, the foil coated bubble wrap, and hardware cloth to insulate the ground. The north wall is also insulated in the bubble wrap. That is my worm bin. This is a vent that goes through to the cold frame. There's another vent on the east wall. This is an exhaust vent that comes on at 72 degrees. I do have electricity in here. There's an outlet there and an outlet there. I collect rainwater in this container. This is the north wall. It's roofing material, the Andavilla stuff. And this is more of the Solawrap. I found that pretty easy to work with. This is some more rainwater harvesting. This is the east wall of the greenhouse. Thank you for watching.